Okay, this is the last video I'm going to do of the installation of the controller. You can see I've reinstalled the fuel tank with the crab trap. I've got a Velcro pad on the inside bottom of the fuselage, so the fuel tank sits on that and it's held in place with that Velcro pad. You can see the back of the exhaust line as it goes into the fuel tank itself. And where'd it go? Here is the lead that comes from the solenoid and solenoid housing that I've attached to the front of the carburetor. You can see, maybe you can see, put it on, there it is. Solenoid goes straight to the carburetor. Put a 1-inch piece of fuel tubing between the solenoid housing and the inlet on the carburetor. You can see it pretty easily right there. Now, the cable that comes off the solenoid, you can see it right there, the yellow cap and the line that goes through, comes to the back of the fuselage right here. And see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not. See if I can do it like this. All right. The solenoid housing, here's the controller itself. And the controller with the XIO circuit board, wiring that comes out of there. You have 3 leads that come out of the XIO. One is your receiver connector. One goes to, this is the SMB 280 temperature and pressure sensor. You can't really see the sensor because it's covered in heat shrink. Then the other lead is a black and white lead that goes to the solenoid. Now, can't get much simpler than this. If I can get a little help here with my camera. If you can focus that on these 2 connections right here. This is the connection that goes to the solenoid, and this is the connection that goes to the controller. Simply plug this in here. The sensor can be mounted remotely, and this, of course, is your receiver connection, and it simply plugs into, in this case, in my case, I'm plugging it in to channel number 5. Once you plug that in place, the installation is basically complete.